And welcome to Mechanic. Today I'm going to show you how bidding on Simulcast works. So if you're a dealer, whether Manheim uses Simulcast a lot, Manheim auctions, but there's other auctions that use this as well, such as let's say Bel Air Auto Auction and other auctions across the country, smaller ones. So I'll show you how this works. Now this I use a different platform and Copart uses slightly different, but Simulcast is one of the biggest ones. I'll show you how it works. Um, Over here you see the car going live. You can switch this to just look at the pictures. If they're not running the cars through the lane, they're going to only show pictures in there. And you can switch to the video, but there's just going to be nobody there. Here is the sound. Right here is, I guess, where you bid. You can see that. If you want to go the next bid, you go there. Right below it you have the MMR, which is like the average price what this specific car has sold in the past 6 months or so at the auction. So just kind of a reference point. Then down here you have the first thing, you got condition report, and then you got right here condition report, and then photos. You can, on the right here, you have the car that's running on the block, and then you have cars that's coming up next. Alright, so right below it, down here, if you have a proxy bid, it will show your proxy on these cars wherever you have a proxy. One very important one is the light. Red light means as is. You cannot arbitrate it. The only thing you could arbitrate a red light car would be like if the mileage is not correct, or if, let's say, the car has a restored title but it was not announced. If it's got frame damage, you can also usually arbitrate that. Caution, it might let's see, caution is like some note, so it could be any kind of note. So in this case it just says clear title, so that's the announcement for the auction. But it could be like, let's say they're selling it green light, meaning it's guaranteed. What that really means is, like, typically if a single repair doesn't cost over $500. So if you buy a car and needs brakes, that doesn't mean you can arbitrate it, because usually brakes don't cost over $500. And they're not going to use the price that what the dealer would charge to fix it. They usually use their auction cheap prices, or the cheapest price those brakes will cost to fix. So they'll say, brakes only cost $250 to do on this car. So, and rotors cost another $100 to turn. So it's $350. You can't arbitrate the car for small stuff like that. So it's for bigger things. Usually it's $500. Some auctions might have a limit of $700 and above repair. But if it's announced as green light, you might put something like let's say it might be announced as green light, but caution, AC is not working. So you cannot arbitrate it for the AC, for example. And it could be green light, and let's say you can even say things like transmission hardships. And what that means is you cannot go back to them and say, well, this car has a bad transmission. That's something you cannot arbitrate it. So that's a pretty common. A lot of dealers will run a green light and announce it, or don't even bother announcing anything, just run a red light, sorry. And then it's pretty simple, straightforward. You press over here on the bid to place your bid, and just wait. That's it. Thank you for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.